Temple prasadams have always fascinated me because it's not just the recipe, but there's a lot of history. You can understand the local vegetation, flora, fauna, the economy, and a lot of other information that you get when you just go over the prasadams and their inscriptions. And they make a very, very famous prasadam called the Ambalappuzha Pal Payasam, or the rice kheer. I'm going to meet Padmanabha Iyer, who has cooked the Pal Payasam in the temple kitchen for many, many years, and now he knows all about the famous payasam. Water has been boiling in this beautiful Panchaloham Murali, 4 liters, that's been boiled to a liter now. And ipo paal idla
4 liter paal
4 liters of milk. Okay, add kar sakte
वो डालने के साथ
हाँ हाँ
जल्दी कहेगा तो रुचि नहीं आएगा, टेस्ट नहीं आएगा.
तो वो मिल्क बॉईल करना, वो टाइम स्लो हीट में कलर भी चेंज होएगा नहीं?
उस टाइम में कलर चेंज होता है. अभी दूध बॉईल हो गया.
ओके.
बाद में क्या चावल डालना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा. एंड दिस इज द रेड राइस है ना?
रेड राइस. चावल पकाने के बाद शक्कर डालना पड़ेगा. शक्कर डालने के पहले एक काम है.
हाँ.
काम है भगवान सोने के लिए हम लोग एक नाम बुलाएगा, वासुदेव.
अच्छा.
वो बुलाने के बाद शक्कर आएगा, लेके आएगा. वासुदेव.
It takes more than an hour for the milk to reduce and for it to change into this beautiful pink color.
पायसम रेडी है. भक्तों को देने के सकते हैं.
Thank you very much. I enjoyed cooking this, learning this Bhagwan ka prasad from you.
वो हम लोग का घर में बनाएगा तो ऐसा नहीं आएगा. वो पूरा इधर आएगा. वो भगवान का कृपा से कर रहा है.
वो भगवान का कृपा तो जरूरी है. Meeting you has also been a pleasure and talking to you. You are such an amazing person to talk to.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah? Thank you so much. I'm going back to Kochi to meet up with a very, very interesting bunch of musicians. When Chai Met Toast is the name of their band, and I can't wait to know more about where they came up with this name and their music, of course.
Nice to meet you. Sailesh.
Nice to meet you, Sailesh. So I got you guys some puliogare.
Thank you so much.
So when Chai Met Toast,
Meets Puliogare now.
met puliogare.
This is something which is exactly like what my grandmom made, and I really felt it, and I love the Puliogare.
How did Chai Met Toast? How did that happen?
Right now, we just say it's 4 South Indian boys trying to play English folk music, and
Trying to play, stressing on that again. Yeah.
eventually the name found its meaning to where chai being our Indian brown side and toast being the English
Racist
folk.
side.
How often do you guys jam?
Been 3 years as a band in.
Nice.
We played almost, how many cities are we talking about? 20 cities in the
20,
country?
25 cities.
20, 25 cities in the country.
Very good, guys.
Yeah, and we keep playing around. And basically, metro cities are the places that we play more.
Yeah.
But we played cities like Bhubaneswar and Chandigarh and
Nice.
Dambuk
Yeah.
in Arunachal Pradesh. It's been a good journey as a band, and I think people like the name, people like the music, people love us in general as human beings, and we like to keep it that way. So, how long has the journey been? And you know, what exactly are you looking, or is there anything in your mind that you're looking forward to see?
Well, the journey about traveling for food has been there for a while. But the way I had looked at South India during that journey and now the way I look at the South is completely different. Like there are things that I unearthed being in Chennai for the first time because of this.
Okay.
I think as the journey began, it got a lot more firmer about showcasing the south of India, showing South in all its glory, not just food but culture, art form, history, whatever it is, and just letting people know that there's more to South, and
Which is very important.
which is very, very important, right? Like all of us being in the South.
That's my
Cheers.
big name, Red. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, man. Cheers. Why don't we try and jam something? What do you think about it?
Yes. This is the first song
Yeah.
of the EP, and this one's called Khoj.
Let me go passing by. Let me go come back in time.